I'm Ramya Venkatraman and I lead McKinsey's education practice in India.
Hello, I'm Rashmi Bansal. I'm an author. I write books on the subject of entrepreneurship. Well, I like the concept of awards because it's important for every industry and every kind of enterprise to celebrate the achievements and the success stories of its field. Unfortunately, a lot of awards are compromised today, where they can be bought or they can be influenced. So if an award is given very fairly and with due diligence, then it has a lot of value, and I do think that Wilgrow Awards is one of the few awards which perhaps is being done in that spirit. So therefore I think it is a good idea.
I think it's been a fairly thorough process, so with multiple stages. So there was an initial shortlisting, I believe, which we as the jury were not closely involved with. But as we understand it, there are a set of entities that moved into the shortlisted phase. In parallel, there was an online voting process, which we referred to the results of that towards the end, though that was just one of many inputs. And finally, of course, the process of the jury in the room. Essentially, we looked at the due diligence of each candidate, asked a set of questions. In some cases, the awards were more clear. In other cases, there was greater debate. So overall, fairly thorough and detailed process.
It is a nascent and very budding kind of a field, and so we can't really look at people who have achieved great heights yet. So the idea has been to really encourage and celebrate whatever little is being done. So definitely I think that objective has been achieved. But I do feel that yes, if an award is given with sincerity and with a lot of good intention and due diligence, and definitely it does bear fruit, because to get recognized within your community for something that you've done, it always does boost the spirits of the people involved to work harder, to prove themselves, to hold their reputation. So I think it has an intangible effect, and I would always support that.
One of the suggestions might be that it would be interesting to think about what could Wilgrow or these awards do beyond the award itself. So beyond granting the award itself, is there some active mentoring possible for an awardee who may be very early stage but highly promising? Is there some bringing together of the ecosystem that's possible for some awardees who may be doing very well in their own area but maybe not connected to a broader network? So are there certain specific things that maybe Wilgrow can bring to bear? And I think some of that thinking is already going on, and that could probably enhance the potential of these awards quite a bit.